Hi, welcome. I am Syed Abdul Khadir, the English panel member. Let us see today's assignment, descriptive paragraph. Right? It's a writing skill. Last year in board exams, this was question number 3. Right? Now in 10th standard, this is not there. Analytical paragraph is there in question number 4. Analyzing and writing a paragraph, right? Analyzing what certain data will be there. Analyzing that data, you have to write a paragraph. We'll see it later. This is descriptive paragraph. Descriptive, describing something, right? In the question itself, board has mentioned. It will be based on a person. That question will be based on a person, place, or it can be a diary entry, right? We are expected to describe something as required in the question. Anyhow, the word paragraph means the answer should be in a paragraph, correct? So, remembering the essentials of a paragraph, we have to write. What a paragraph is? Group of sentences, correct? And why it is called a paragraph? Why those sets of sentences is called a paragraph? It must be dealing one thing, right? About one thing, one idea, one topic, correct? So all the sentences of a paragraph must be dealing about only one idea, one theme, right? It must be explaining about one requirement. Got it? Of course, classic examples are there in our textbooks. If you go through, you can see. Even one sentence can be a paragraph, right? If it conveys the entire idea, a separate idea in it. You could see. Right. Now recently 100 dresses 1 and 2, that lesson is going on. There you can see classic examples. Of course all the lessons will be having, since you are familiar with that lesson at present, we are dealing that lesson, it will be easy for you to understand. Right? You could have seen one sentence itself as a paragraph, correct? Now, let us go about our present requirement. The question says, imagine you won an award. Describe, right, your feelings on that, or you dive from the diving board in the swimming pool for the first time ever, and right? Put it in a paragraph, correct? Describe all those things in a paragraph, explaining about the exciting moments. Now, one example. Today is my birthday. I was born on. Imagine you start a paragraph like this. Today is my birthday. I was born on. How the tone is? Of course, you are telling something. Are you describing it in such a way that it's exciting? Now, I'll put it in different way. So there is this. different. I mean, my feelings everything looks beautiful right. As if greeting me on a special right. On a special occasion on a special right. Why? Right? Oh, it's my birthday. Right? If you say like this, right? I feel very different. I mean my feelings. Everything looks beautiful as if greeting me on a special occasion. Right? Why? Oh, it's my birthday. Now, remember the sentence which I wrote earlier. Right? Now look at these words and sentences. Right? This is describing something, right? It describes my feelings like this. You should write a paragraph. It should be a paragraph. Everything should be touching the left margin, right? Whatever you write, right? Touching the left margin. I can give a title, depends on the question, right? Give a suitable title, then a title should be there in the middle of the sheet. Below that, you have to start. And generally, the first sentence is taken as a topic sentence. It can come anywhere, but the first sentence, if it is taken as a topic sentence, right? Generally, the first sentence should be taken as a topic sentence. Then, step by step, you have to be explaining the meaning, right, of that first sentence. You need to be justifying it. See, I feel very different. Why? Or what? Or when? Then we say that what feeling is different? What is different? I mean my feelings. What feelings they are? Everything looks beautiful, right? As if greeting me on a special occasion. Why? Oh, it's my birthday. Then keep on explaining, right? Describing your feelings till the last sentence. Okay? By the time you reach the last sentence, you should have explained about your right special feelings, particular feelings related to birthday, why your birthday is special. Every year birthday comes, right? Till the point of time, right, family will be celebrating. Then when you grow elder, in certain families, they may not celebrate, right? Many things are there. It's purely personal feelings, right? So describe your feelings in words till the last sentence, right? Of course, in our assignment they have given special requirement. Based on that, some examples they are given. You explain that, right? Satisfying the word limit, 150 words to 200 words. How to count the words? Count a line of words of a line, right? For example, here small words are more like I, mine, or more, leave such. Lengthy words are there. That line also should leave. Take one average length. Here also small words are more. Take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 words are there in that line. Multiply with number of lines. Whatever you get, it will be plus or minus 10. They will be okay. Right? Which number you arrive at, it will be either minus 10 or plus 10. Right? So like that, as when we reach the last sentence after concluding, if you are satisfying the word limits, then finish with one last line. Remember, it's a paragraph. They must be together, right? You should not split them. This is how a descriptive paragraph is written. Hope you understood, right? God bless you. Thank you.